Okay, for this video, this is part of the Linux security playlist of ways to hardening your operating system. This would be for Debian. So for this is going to be enabling file system integrity checking. So AIDE is a file integrity checking tool similar to nature to tripwire. While it cannot prevent intrusions, it can detect unauthorized changes to config files by alerting when the files are changed. When setting up AIDE, decide internally what the site policy will be concerning integrity checking. Review AIDE quick start guide and AIDE documentation before proceeding. So ensure AIDE is installed. AIDE takes a snapshot file system state, including modification time permissions, file hashes, which can prevent the use to be used to compare it against the current state of file system to detect modifications to the system. By monitoring the file system state, compromised files can detect to prevent or limit the exposure of accidental or malicious misconfiguration modified binaries. So to verify that it's installed, do the following. Is not installed, no information is available. For this, now you will go and install it. Okay, that's installed. Now initiate. Okay, now it is initialized and working. Now you're going to ensure that the file system integrity is regularly checking it. So do the following command. Don't know why it can't be found, but I know it's working from the cron job. Okay. Create a new file, and you're going to put the following in. Now you're going to do the following command to add something to the timer itself. You can do the following what I'm doing, or you can change the time that it will run. It's all up to you. 644. What am I missing that time? Oh. Okay, so notes that the checking is a recommendation occurs every day at 5 a.m. Alter the frequency and time of the checks is in compliance with the site policy. Note that Debian advises using the directory, usr/bin/aid wrapper rather than calling usr bin aid directly in order to protect the database and to prevent conflicts.